Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently I posted a poll on my Instagram and the majority of you voted for me to do a Bob Ross painting tutorial. So here I am. I did not grow up with the privilege of watching Bob Ross. I actually didn't even find out about him until a couple of years ago. I'm scared, nervous, a little excited, and just hopeful that my reputation as an artist will stand after this video. Without further ado, let's just get right into this. You still see me? I want to make a video that I haven't watched just to keep the anticipation going, or maybe anxiety.
Hi, welcome back. Certainly glad you could join me
Hi,
today.
Bob.
Now, I've covered the whole top half with liquid white. The bottom half, I've started up here with a alizarin crimson and phthalo blue mixture. It makes a lavender, graduated into a mixture of Prussian blue.
He's explaining all these colors, but it literally just looks black. I'm just gonna go in with dark blue. He did mention some green.
Phthalo green.
We're gonna throw that in there. Even though I can pause the video, I still feel really stressed trying to follow along. Imagine watching this on the TV.
And phthalo blue mixture. It makes a lavender.
A purple, hold on. Oh gosh. Wait, that's actually kind of turning out. Okay. You know what? Screw the palette. I'm probably not supposed to do this. But you know what? It's my painting. Okay.
We'll start off today with phthalo blue. Reach over here and grab some midnight black and mix them together. So I have blue and black.
Dun, 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 dun.
All right, let's go right up in here. And let's just drop in some happy little,
that's already
little
way
sky
too
areas. Just using little crisscross strokes. I'm gonna have some big clouds today. I think we'll do some fantastic big clouds. And if you get down here into this color, that's okay too. No big deal. We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents. Wash our brush with just odorless paint thinner. Shake it off. Just beat the devil out of it.
It's okay.
Go back. And then we'll soften this. And it's all right if you pull a little bit of this color into the light area. There we go.
Okay, that doesn't look bad.
I'm going to have a shadow right here. Right against the water. There they are.
We're not doing that again. I love you, Bob Ross, but we're not doing that again.
Little things on top of the cloud. Let that brush just dance around there and play in tiny little circles.
Tiny little circles.
Tiny little circles.
Hold on. I know I can paint better than this, okay? Let me just... Does my profile look good? I've always been really self-conscious of my nose bridge, and when I was a kid I used to have, what is it called, an underbite. So I've always been very self-conscious of my profile. It's fine. You're here to look at my painting, not my face.
Let's go right in here. We'll do this. Like it. Look at that. See? And I know you say no.
Whoops.
Do it again. What the heck? There. Very lightly. Very lightly. Just blend that color back. This gives you the little trough, as it's called. There we go. That easy. that easy.
It's not that easy, Bob. I want to understand. I have no idea what I'm doing anymore.
Now then, let's make some big decisions. Here this comes, and zoop, and then it comes like that. And we'll do exactly the same thing again.
And what exactly was that? Because I think I missed the mark. This looks so bad. Hold on. Look, I really do desperately want this to be the next day, but I thought it would be a little immoral to lie, so it's actually been a week at least. But going away from this painting really did give me clarity, and I finally figured out how to do these waves. Turns out I've been using the wrong brush. Theoretically, this should make it easier. To blend this out. Theoretically, this should make it easier. You know what I just realized? People are probably here to see me fail anyways. Who wants to go to the video to watch me paint well? So you know what? I'm actually putting on a good show.
Add where your little transparency or the light part's going to be, and begin laying it in. Scrub it in. Get tough with it. Right along the top.
There's supposed to be a wave right here, but I just did this. But it looks so nice. I don't want to cover it up. Oh my god. Scrub it.
This comes over here and goes. Gotta make those little noises or it won't work. Okay, reload it. Now, maybe there's some nice foam splashing on here. We're putting in the shadow for the foam. Just scrub it in. Scrub it.
What's going on? He's making too many abstract moves. Color is actually really close to his, and I'm kind of proud of that.
Sort of hold the brush to the side here and give it a little upward
Am I
push
doing it?
so that when it hits at the top, then it
Doesn't
makes
look
all
like
those
I'm
little
doing it.
splashies.
I would scream, but there are other people in my house right now.
Just little tiny little circles, barely touching. The brush is hardly moving. Just sort of blend it all together.
I'm trying my best, and I think that's what Bob Ross would want. I mean, after all, he is a professional artist, you know? I've only been doing this for less than 10 years. You know those girls at your school that don't have to try hard to look pretty? Like, they can just throw their hair in a messy bun, or I don't know, wear sweatpants at school every day, but they still look really, really good. Yeah, that's how I think of Bob Ross. Next up, we have the rocks.
So let's put a stone right here. I want to break the horizon with that so it comes right on up. Maybe this is a big, tall stone.
This is really nerve-wracking. I really don't want to put poop-colored paint over this wave I just spent an hour on. Ah! I'm so scared. I mean, I don't think I have to stress about this too much, considering rocks can be
Okay.
any shape,
Now then,
right?
let's just take this and go right over the edge of the rock. You can do this with a liner brush and really put a lot of detail into it. Liner brush.
Yep.
You
Terrible.
can just make
Terrible.
all kinds of beautiful
Ah,
little
now it's a shaded piece of
Maybe
poop.
there's another
It's
little.
not
See that?
working.
First it has the white on it. Just begin putting some little splashers down here at the bottom. Tell you what I see. Let me get the small knife. I see right in here another happy little stone.
I feel like I learned a lot from this video, and even though I'm struggling a lot as well, it's worth it, you know? I knew it was gonna be challenging, but I wanted to do it anyways, because I wanted to learn some stuff from the legend himself, and I did it, you know? So, props to me. Hey! Are you surprised? Because I am too.
Make it like water. All kinds of little things going on.
Did you guys ever grow up believing in Santa Claus? Oh, I don't know if I ever told you that story. I never really believed in Santa Claus, but not because someone told me he wasn't real. It was just, I lived in Vietnam back then, and we don't have chimneys.
Okay, hear me out. At this point, my phone stopped recording for some reason. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. But I did end up finishing the painting, so here is the final review.
All that I have for this video. I mentally cannot handle anymore. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video as well as like the painting. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. If you want to see more art videos from me, I do have an art playlist. Well, my channel is an art channel anyways, but I do have a playlist. I will link it in one of these corners. As always, stay weird, stay beautiful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Happy painting. God bless, and I'll see you next time.